Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan. We are going to get total purchase amount for specific category using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WooCommerce product category. Now you see slug. So we are going to add custom code. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert, header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet, then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title A, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now scroll down. By using this code we are going to get total purchase amount for specific category. Now you see category ceramics. Now go to product category page. Now you see slug, so you can add category name according to your requirement. Now I use ceramics in code. Now you see. Now scroll down, you see insert method short code, so click on it, and then on top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Scroll down. Now you see short code. Copy this. Now go to edit page. Now paste, and then click on update. Now page update done. Now you see view page, so open it. Now you see total amount for specific product category ceramic 200. Now back to code. Now scroll up. Now in code you see WC completed order. So this code only show total amount for specific product category which include completed order. Now in code you see, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section, and you will use this short code anywhere you want. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.